the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG X Power 3. So I'm on LG's Canada's website here. So before I get further into the video, I would like to give a big shout out to the homie Magic Tech Review. So shout out to him. He did a video about the LG X Power 3 coming to Cricket Wireless. So if you guys are on Cricket Wireless, be looking out for the LG X Power 3 coming your way advanced. So check out his video and subscribe to Magic Tech if you have not done so. So shout out to him for this video idea here. So check out his video and stuff like that. So here it is, guys, LG X Power 3, and yeah, here it is. You know, it's your standard budget phone. I mean, not much to get really excited about. Not really. You know, it has a 16:9 screen. That's sad. That said no 18:9. So it's still sticking with the traditional screen ratios. This is like I said, this is on LG's Canada's website, so if you keep that in mind. I don't know if it's on LG's US website. I don't know if this is on LG's US website or not. I have not checked. So yeah, so the LG X Power 3 has 4,500 mAh battery. It's not removable, of course. It does feature fast charging, fingerprint sensor, smart rear key, 5.5-inch HD in-cell display, and Google Assistant. Of course, it's available in Moroccan blue in this version here. I don't know what carrier in Canada this phone is on, so don't ask me for that. So the LG X Power looks alright, you know what I'm saying? It's a budget phone, so it is what it is. You have a front-facing camera, earpiece, front-facing camera, flash your screen there. I do like the wallpaper; it looks pretty nice. LG logo, power button on the right side, volume buttons on the left side. Fingerprint on the rear. There. There's the right side power button. Left side has your volume button there, and your summon SD card tray is on the left side as well, because the battery is not removable. So if you keep that in mind, there's the phone right there. There's the phone. It doesn't show the back for some reason. You have a noise cancellation microphone. That's the top of the phone. I don't know why it's not showing the back. I don't know why that has no pictures up the back. There's the front. There's the top of the phone again. Your headphone jack and charging port are at the bottom of the phone. So your charging port, your headphone jack's right there, microphone, and your charging ports is there. So they don't show the back. So that's interesting. So the LG X Power 3 has a 4,500 mAh embedded battery. So it says here the impressive long-lasting 4,500 mAh battery is enough to keep up with your non-stop lifestyle. Leave your charger at home and go for days without worrying about battery life. So LG claims 2 days of battery life with the LG X Power 3. They've said it for the last 2 generations of the LG X Power. So they said it for the X Power 2. So they claim, so we'll see about that. It depends on users, of course. If you guys are a power user like myself, we're going to that battery quick. And I just noticed something. This phone has a 3.2 stars on this, so I wonder what's up with that. Like I said, this phone is already available in Canada. It's already available in Canada. I don't know what carrier it's on in Canada. I don't know, but it's available in Canada, and it's coming to Cricket Wireless. I don't know when. And it's fast charging. This is the first LG X Power phone to feature fast charging. It says get a full charge in the middle of a busy day. Hit 100 in just 2 hours. In a hurry, 1 hour will get you 50% charge to last the entire day. So that's fast charging, like I said. So it takes 2 hours to fully charge the phone. It takes 1 hour to charge halfway through the phone. From 0 to 50 it takes 1 hour. From 0 to 100 it takes 2 hours. Okay. I believe it has Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. So that's nice. It's portrait mode, of course. Clear selfies with sharp portrait and artfully gray backgrounds there. So it has that on the front facing camera. It has a 5.5-inch HD it has an in-cell display. The large 5.5-inch HD in-cell display offers greater clarity with wider and brighter views of pictures and videos, and better outdoor visibility. The touch panel keeps working even when the glass is broken. Okay, so if the glass is broken on your phone, the screen still works. So that's pretty interesting. So at least that's a good thing to know. It has DTSX on here, so it has virtual surround sound. That's coming in a lot of LG phones. They like the LG Solid 4, the LG Q7, the LG fucking the reason that LG phones are getting this feature, it says experience sound in the most immersive way. DTSX is premium mobile optimized technology that delivers louder, richer audio for movies, music, and games. Alright? It says DTSX exclusively for LG. It has Google Assistant. Of course, your Google Assistant helps make everyday life easier. Set reminders, get directions, find your photos, and manage travel. So the specs on the LG X Power 3, this is a budget phone, guys, so do keep that in mind. It has full touchscreen display. It's GSM. This is the Canada version of the LG X Power 3, so do keep that in mind. And like I said, this one's going to quicker wise in the United States. I'm sure the other US prepaid carriers will get it, like Boost, Virgin, Straight Talk, you know, and places like that. I doubt Metro gets this phone. I doubt Metro gets it, but who knows? Because they haven't gotten the X Power before, so they could get it this time. But we'll see if Metro PCS gets this phone. But I doubt it. But who knows? The LG X Power 3 runs an Android 8.1 Oreo, which is a win. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 1.4 GHz quad core, 4,500 mAh battery. The battery is not removable. It does have fast charging. It has Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, so that is pretty good. I do have experience with the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, and it's great. I have it on my LG V20, and it's great, and it's great. So yeah. Audio and video has a 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera, both with LED flashes, both with full HD video recordings, video capture and full HD, video playback, full HD, audio codecs and audio playback, 1 watt speaker. Display is in-cell touch, 5.5 inch display, HD 720p, 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Okay. So it has your traditional screen ratios there, so nothing really to get excited on the screen ratios. So yeah, memory on the LG X Power 3, unfortunately, it's still 16 gigs, like it has been for the last 2 generations of the X Power. It's 2 TB micro SD expansion, 2 GB of RAM, fingerprint sensor, FM radio, Bluetooth 4.2, USB 2.0 charging. It does have fast charge, like I said, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. It has Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN. It has GPS and GLONASS, and it has no NFC. Okay. So yeah, if you guys want to check out the reviews on this phone, you can, because this phone has 3.2 stars out of 5 on LG's website in Canada. So this is the Canada website for LG. The LG X Power is already out in Canada. I don't know what carrier this is on in Canada, so if you guys know, let me know. I will be interested to know. So there it is, guys, the LG X Power 3. It's going to quicker wise in the United States. I don't know what the price will be. I'm gonna say between 100 and 180. Between $100 and 180, because of the specs. The specs are not that great. It does have, I like the fact that it has Oreo LTE fast charging, and I like the fact that if the screen breaks, the touchscreen still works according to this spec sheet here. So but the specs are not that great in terms of RAM and ROM. They're the same as it was on the X Power and X Power 2. I do expect other prepaid carriers to get this in the United States, like Boost, Virgin, Straight Talk might get 2 versions of this phone. I wouldn't be surprised if Straight Talk gets 2 versions. Who else? Total Wireless may get this phone. Track Phone. AT&T prepaid. Maybe Metro might get this phone. I don't know what other prepaid carriers are getting this phone, but I do know that Cricket is getting this phone, guys. Cricket is getting this phone as of right now, guys. So if you guys are on Cricket, the LG X Power 3 is coming your way. And so yeah, I mean, the phone looks alright, you know what I'm saying? It looks alright, and hopefully that Cricket gets it in the black version, because I'm not a fan of the blue. I'm not a fan of it. I just think it's tacky as fuck, man, because LG is famous with their Moroccan blue phones, like the Stylo 4, the LG Zone 4 on Verizon, Stylo 4 Plus, the fucking LG Q7, the LG Vista, and all the other phones, man. It's like LG loves blue, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, there it is, guys. The LG X Power 3. It's coming to Cricket Wireless in the United States. It's already available in Canada. I don't know where in Canada it's available at, so don't ask me. So yeah, the specs on this phone are not great, but I do like the fact that it has audio, fast charging, LTE, and the fingerprint sensor. I do like that as well. And other than that, I mean, it's kind of the same spec sheet as the LG X Power 2, except for slightly better software and features. But other than that, the two phones are pretty much similar. So you're not really missing out much if you guys don't get the X Power 3. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.